Hi guys, welcome to Sabondi Academy. In today's video, we'll be solving the question 7 of the 2019 Nov core Math Theory questions. So question 7. The table is for y is equal to x squared minus px plus q. A. Using the table, find the values of p and q. B. Copy and complete the table of values for y is equal to x squared minus px plus q for x between -3 and 5. C. Using scales of 2 centimeters to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y-axis, draw the graph of y is equal to x squared minus px plus q for x is between -3 and 5. D. From the graph, find the range of values of x for which y decreases as x increases. So let's begin with our solution for 7a. It says use the table to find the values of p and q. So y is equal to x squared minus px plus q. And we don't know p and q, but we know that when x is 0, y is 3. So when x is 0, y is 3. And when x is -2, y is 11. So let's take 0 and 3. So when x is 0, y is 3. So y will be 3 equals 0 squared minus p of 0 plus q. When we do this, we should get 3 is equal to 0 squared is 0. P times 0 is 0, so we have q. So then our q will be equal to 3. Now when x is -2, y is 11. So we have 11, which is y, is equal to x squared. So x is -2. So -2 squared minus px. So minus p times -2. Then plus q. So we have 11 is equal to -2 squared is 4 minus 2p plus q. Now this gives us 11 is equal to 4 plus 2p plus q. But our q is 3. So we have 11 is equal to 4 plus 2p plus 3. And when we simplify the right hand side, our 11 will be 7 plus 2p. When we group like terms, you have 11 minus 7 is equal to 2p. And 11 minus 7 is 4. So 4 is equal to 2p. To find p, we divide both sides by the coefficient of p, which is 2. So here by 2, here by 2. Our p should be equal to 2. So therefore, our p is equal to 2 and our q is equal to 3. Now, we know that y is equal to x squared minus px plus q. So now y will be equal to x squared minus px will be 2x plus q, which is 3. So I says copy and complete the table of values for y is equal to this relation. So we have our x and we have our y. So we have -3 to 5 for x. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for our y, we have 11, 3, and 6, 18. And we are using this relation. So when x is equal to -3, our y will be equal to negative 3 squared minus 2 negative 3 plus 3. And that should give us 18. So this will be 18. And when x is equal to negative 1, our y should be equal to negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 plus 3. And this should give us 6. So this will be 6. So we do the same for all the values of x. And we should have 2, 3, and 11. So this will be our complete table. So this is B. So C. It says, using the scale of 2 centimeters to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y-axis, draw the graph of y is equal to x squared minus px plus q. So let's draw our axis. This is our y. Since we don't have negative values of y, so we can ignore the negative y part. And this is our x. So 2 centimeters to 1 unit on the x-axis. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here we have negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. And then 2 centimeters to 2 units on the y-axis. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So let's draw our curve. So when x is negative 3, y is 18. So negative 3, 18 will be here. And when x is negative 2, y is 11. So negative 2, 11 will be here. When x is negative 1, y is 6. So negative 1, 6 will be here. When x is 0, y is 3. So 0, 3. Then 1, 2. Then 2, 3. Then 3, 6. Then 4, 11. Then 5, 18. So when we draw a curve, you should get something like this, right? So this is for the C part. Now D says, from the graph, find the range of values of x for which y decreases as x increases. So we know that y decreases from this side to this side. And so we take the values of x from this side to this side. So D, the value of x as y decreases will be negative 3 less than x less than 1. So this brings us to the end of question 7. Now don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section as well. So in our next video, we'll be solving the question 8 of the 2020 Nov core math theory questions.